The Girl Who Collected Sunrises. Luna loved early mornings. She woke up very early, before birds could sing, before people could wake. She carried a small notebook and a blue pencil. Each day she waited. She watched the sunrise. Then she wrote one line. "Today feels warm." The next morning came. The sky looked different, orange, pink, and gold. She smiled quietly. Then she wrote, "Today feels hopeful." Day after day, she watched the sky. She never missed one. Rainy days came too. Cloudy days arrived. Still she waited. Still she watched. Years slowly passed. Her notebook grew thick. One morning she counted 300 sunrises. But then she smiled. She counted again. Not sunrises, but lessons. 300 lessons about patience, about gratitude, about never giving up. She closed her notebook. The sun rose gently, and Luna understood. Every sunrise is different. Every day is new. Every heart can grow. One morning at a time.